There is a lady in Bloemfontein who sells these macadamia nuts. I think that's how you pronounce it. Different flavors. This is chutney. There's also peri peri. There's a lot of other stuff. 50 Rand for 250 gram. And it's all in the taste, I always say. And I love macadamia nuts. So let's taste the chutney first. That's really nice. I also bought a pack of peri peri nuts, macadamia nuts. Let's try that as well. They are both extremely nice. Alright, this an 8.4 out of 10. Thanks people, love you all till next time.